don't think I've ever done a video here, so it should be pretty exciting. I'm gonna take you guys around, give you guys maybe a little tour first, and then we'll see if we can play some games. I don't know if they allow filming here, so hopefully they do. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're playing this UFO catcher right here. Hey, what? Get it? Oh.
That's gay.
I know.
That's the gayest thing ever.
So I don't get it. How do you...
It's way too heavy. It's not gonna knock it down.
Oh. Oh. Okay, come on now. Knock it in. Oh, that was so close. Okay, watch. Watch how close it is.
You always just keep on. You're cutting a little bit of it.
Alright, what's going on, guys? We're at this machine. It looks interesting. There's a Starbucks cup right there, and we're gonna see if we can win a Starbucks cup. So, excuse me.
Get one of the small ones.
Yeah, I'm not going for the heavy ones. Let's go for this one right here. Come on. Oh, that's so weak. That is so weak. There, come on. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Yeah, if it was strong enough, it would have probably pulled it up.
Every machine here is like a joke. Oh, that was really close though. Do you see how far down it went?
Probably just goes like that hard.
Ooh. Easy, Mason. Easy there, Tiger. Oh, come on.
It's so weak. Well,
it's so bad. Let's move on. It's probably gonna rig me. Ooh, that was close. Nope, rigged. Oh. Dude, these are so bad. Here.
Get that son of a bitch.
Oh, frick you.
Nope.
It's Bob. Mason's gonna put 75 cents in for us. Get on, Mason. Yay. I love how our head's like going into this. This is the best thing we've spent our money on all day.
Oh yeah,
this is the only thing I've got my return on.
I'm shaking it.
Is there a weight limit on this?
Oh no, there's not.
And here, no one can see you cry. This is good stuff.
Yeah, dude.
I could sit in here for an hour. No.
Oh.
No.
Again?
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. Oh, I need a quarter, Will.
I don't have a quarter.
Oh, I have 2 quarters.
Mason, we've been cut off. Unless I have a quarter. No.